Hi guys, welcome here. And in today's video right here, I'll be showing you guys how you could actually make money online, proven by Franklin Emmanuel. Now, as you can see him here, this is Franklin Emmanuel, and I'll be showing you guys right now in this video how you could actually crush it legitimately over 2,000, thousands of dollars online. It depends on how serious. Thousands of dollars running affiliate marketing, that's actually selling other people's product to get a commission or cut out of that actual sale. With that being said, guys, let's go straight into this stuff so I could show you guys how it actually works. Now you're just going to be listening to it by yourself so you could hear perfectly from Franklin Emmanuel. And yeah, let's go, guys.
Hi guys, welcome here. You're about to engage yourself with the most explosive program on affiliate marketing in the whole of the country right now. This is the Affiliate Accelerator program, and like I said, this is one simple program that will take you from zero to hero in affiliate marketing. Here, you're going to be grinded and learn everything you need in order to start up and scale that online business you need for yourself online. And this is actually for you. You're an entrepreneur, you're a 9-to-5er, you're a stay-at-home mom, you're actually looking for something to start doing on the internet. You've been doing so many things and you're so confused. This is how a whole lot of my students are. This is how I was even at this very point when I started out. But when I actually was able to fix up all of my R's together, I was able to start crushing it in affiliate marketing. In this Affiliate Accelerator program, you're going to be mastering everything you need. Every detailed step-by-step process that would help you to achieve super results. Here, you're going to be learning the affiliate hexagon model. You can see it on my screen. You're going to be learning how to pick your product. You're going to be learning how to sell your offers and market organically. You're going to be learning how to design your funnel pages, your website hosting, your domain, and even structuring up your website for sales. At the same time, you learn how to automate your business so that you can actually set up a business up and running while you're on vacation, while you're out there with your family, while you are living the life you want. And also, you're going to be learning how to write copies, marketing copies that will trigger people to start making sales, that will trigger people to actually take action on every of the offer you have. Also learn how you can actually drive ads, drive traffic via Facebook ads, drive traffic via YouTube ads, drive traffic also via different organic channels that you can actually start generating huge sales from. And also you're going to be using your blog. And the biggest of them all is you understanding how to use WhatsApp to generate sales. This is what I and my students have used to do over 2 million naira in sales in the past 30 days. And you too can also do the same thing if you can actually learn every of this and master it inside of the Affiliate Accelerator program. Also, I share with you the TFC formula that can actually help you to understand how you can actually channel your traffic to the funnel and convert them to maximum sales for yourself online. Also, guys, you also get a lot of bonuses. You get my email swipe, 2,000 email swipes, so that you can use all of my email swipes that have been converting over time. I've used this email swipe to generate over 50 million naira, and I'm going to be giving them all out to you so that you don't have to think so much. You can use everything I've done, everything I've given out, everything that's generated me sales to also get more sales for yourself. Also, you get a closer technique manual. You get a shotgun method to maximizing organic sales. You also get Elementor Pro I use for my landing page builder, my funnels. You get my 5 funnel pages, so that you don't get to design so much. You have all of these things designed for you, like how it has helped me to convert. You get everything for free as far as you're in this program. At the same time, guys, you also get my ads targeting. Every other targeting I've done, my Facebook ads, my Google ads, my YouTube ads and all, you get everything for free. And to top all of this up, guys, I am going to be giving you access to my mastermind group. Yeah, I give you access to my mastermind group. And my mastermind group is more of like a coaching session where I get to, you as my student, I get to walk you through everything that you actually need to know step by step by step. I totally understand that people actually learn at different paces, and because people learn at different pace, it is very, very important that you get to understand everybody and you get to follow up with them at every point of their learning, right? People are very fast, they grab so fast and they take action immediately, while others are quite slow and they really need, to put their heads down and learn some more. Having understood this with my years of experience of coaching people and helping them to achieve success online, I've actually been able to put on this program, which is actually the most explosive program currently on the internet on affiliate marketing. Guys, these are some of my results, honestly, because if I've not done it myself, I won't be able to help you to do it. So you can see here, where I've done $400 per day, $500 per day from ClickBank here. This is another one here where I do over $100 per day, $400, $196. You can see all my results here. This is another channel where here I do 100, 100, 100, 200, 500, 300. And here I've actually done $1,400, $1,400 on the daily basis. These are my earnings, guys. These are my earnings. And even from another channel income stream, right? Because actually affiliate marketing gives you the access to actually, sell products from different channels, and you can be earning from different streams if you understand that you've mastered how it works and you can judiciously implement everything I'm going to be teaching you in this very program. So you can see here 135k per day, 232 per day. So you can see there's a today here, so showing you that it's per day. And coming over, you can see here, this is 310,000 naira in a day, right? This is to show you how scalable affiliate marketing is. And guys, this is actually one of the easiest and the fastest way to make money online. But it's not only about me, because it's good I get results. I do it for myself and I show you all of this result. But then my students are also doing great for themselves. Yeah, the beauty of any effort is the result it brings. So you can actually see here, this is one person here saying, I thank God for helping me see this great opportunity and helping me learning. I have not finished the first session of this particular course, and he's already shouting for joy, right? And I'm like, see, hold on, guy, because this is just the first section. You're gonna get in more and get more value. Now, this is another person here that has actually done over 70,000 naira in less than a week, over 70k in less than a week from joining this affiliate accelerator program. Now, this is another person here that has done over 200. This is $282, right? $282, and this person has done $282. And this is another lady here that has actually done 3 sales, right? 3 sales in one day. These 3 sales in one day generated over 60,000 naira in a day from affiliate marketing. These guys are fresh guys. These guys are new, and they just jumped on this program. And with the way I've actually been able to articulate every information here, step by step, and in a very cool and sequential manner, they are able to understand and implement all of these things I've taught them. And with my guidance, they begin to generate huge success for themselves. Now, let me show you the secrets that I actually used to get super results in affiliate marketing. Now, this is what I simply call a funnel, and if you're just seeing this right now, this might look so complicated to you, but guys, just chill, hold on. If you actually want to build a business that can be making you money while you sleep, if you want to generate passive income from this affiliate marketing business, then this simple funnel might be what you might also want to build for yourself. But how do you get to do this? This is just simply what I'll be showing you and teaching you how to implement from your funnel pages to understanding how the flow works, and also how to drive traffic to the funnel so that people can get to start converting. And once they start converting, you can start making a whole lot of money for yourself. Guys, I am so invested in this, and I'm ready to crush it with you guys in affiliate marketing with the affiliate accelerator program. I hope you're also interested. Then I'm going to leave some other testimonials around this video and also on this page, so that you can also see this testimonial of different people that are already testifying from me coaching them one-on-one and teaching them how they can become successful in affiliate marketing. I'm sure this is what you want. This is what you want to achieve right now. So go ahead, smash the link right down there and jump on this very program. Trust me, this particular program is not going to be up for every time that you think you're going to come back here and get it. So the best thing you want to do right now is to get access to this program. Like right now, click the link down below to get to make payments and get access to this program. And I'm going to see you in my mastermind group.
Now, guys, I'm sure you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Like, you just heard it from Franklin Emmanuel, and Franklin Emmanuel is one of the biggest YouTubers we have in Nigeria, or the biggest finance YouTubers we have in Nigeria, or even the whole Africa. Now, what I'm trying to say is that this guy actually knows what he's saying, and I don't really need to actually introduce Franklin Emmanuel. Like, you all know Franklin Emmanuel so much. Like, yeah, I checked my analytics. Most of my viewers also watch Franklin Emmanuel, so I am sure that this 232,000 naira in a day. Like, guys, these are a whole lot of testimonials that you guys can actually jump on. Just jump on this course right now, and yeah, it actually helped me. So that's why I'm actually wanting you guys to actually crush up with it also, and make more money for yourself. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm sure you guys understand and love everything. Please make sure you hit the like button if you enjoy what I do here, and also like this, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thank you very much for watching, and peace.